Hello everyone, welcome to the Ichimoku charts.com daily analysis for gold for Tuesday, August 27th, 2013. Well, a continuation of the trend to the upside today, and a candle that's made a higher high and a higher low. Previous day's trading we had potential for a change of trend with this very small bodied candle, and the small body suggested that the buyers had lost the momentum that they had found for the previous two trading days, and it was a doji type candle, and but a candle where the buyers had actually closed with control by closing up towards the high of that candle, and also closing in a bullish manner up above the 1400 level, suggesting that there was some indecision in this market, that even though there was potential for a change of trend, the market was going to need to turn quite solidly bearish for the trend to change. Today's trading, we've seen a spinning top type candle where the close is actually closed just above the midpoint level, suggesting that the buyers have still closed with control of this market. Another white body candle suggesting that the buyers have found some upside momentum in net terms once again, and this suggests that the market may trade to higher levels. But we do see the shadow on the top and the shadow on the bottom. The shadow on the bottom is probably more important than the one on the top at the moment, because the market has found support down below the 1400 level for the second consecutive trading day, and that 1400 level may be very strong support for this market and may inhibit any potential change of trend to the downside. Now, the price rejection on the top of the body of this candle does suggest that the buyers lost commitment as they were testing up towards this 1432 level. It's actually around 1425. So that is crucial to this market, and 1432 has been an important area of resistance in the past. But there is probably a greater likelihood that the trend may continue up and test to 1432 rather than us see a potential change of trend. But it is a spinning top indecisive type candle as well, so some mixed signals there, but certainly there isn't any strength from the sellers at the moment in this market. In terms of the Fibonacci extension here, we've seen the market test above the 100% level and be rejected from there, so suggesting a possibility of a change of trend. Combined with the indecisiveness here with the spinning top type candle, there is a possibility of a change of trend, so let's be on the lookout for a potential lower high and lower low. But if the market does continue trending up, then the 161.8% level is the next level at 1463. In terms of the Fibonacci retracement, and here we've seen the market test through the 161.8% today and close with this candle up above that area, suggesting that the next level is more important. That's 261.8% at 1436. The next level above there is the 423.6% level at 1489, and above there the 685.4 at 1574. Highly unlikely that that level will come into play. In terms of patterns in this market, and the patterns have been working quite well in this market in the recent past, and we've seen many of our targets being met, and here we've had another breakout up above this small pennant type pattern, solid bullish close up above, giving us a lot of faith in this move. The target is the measured move, it's the extent of the trend leading into the pattern. Now, a little bit of subjectivity, what do we determine as the extent of the trend? So I'd have to say at the beginning of this candle here, up to the top of the congestion area projected up from the breakout, giving us a target up around the 1449 level. So that is a real possibility of this target being met. In terms of Ichimoku, obviously a bullish market in all three timeframes. We're trading up above the cloud, so bullish bias in the long-term timeframe, bullish in the medium-term timeframe, trading above the Kijun Sen, the pink line, and that is pointing up. We have to disregard that final part on the end here. That's reflecting a candle that hasn't finished trading, so pointing up quite sharply, reflecting solid upside momentum, as is the Tenkan Sen, the green line here. So good solid upside momentum in the medium and fast term timeframes, and the Chico span is above the corresponding price action, so it suggests that there is some solid upside momentum in this market, and confirming what we're seeing in all three timeframes. And this suggests that it's more likely that this market will test up to the 1432 level rather than below the 1400 level. So the 1400 level is going to be important for us in terms of potential support, and then just down below there the Tenkan-sen trading around the previous support and resistance level at 1380, so solid support and resistance around there. Very solid resistance overhead though above the 1432 level, extending all the way up to 1500, many levels that the market could find resistance at. So if we do see the market continuing up through the 1432 level, it might not do it all in one go. We could see the market find resistance and come off around one of those levels. But really what we're doing today here, let's watch for a potential higher high and higher low, remembering however that there is some indecisiveness in this market, so the 1400 level becomes important as well.